This is the story of the RGT Pro Runner and 4 hours of greasy clay, muddy water, and humid, cloying bushland trail driving. And a few other cars too. Let's do it.
Yeah, it's a no. Yeah, it might. It might.
This is Kerry, and today's her first day holding a radio. She's about to spend 4 hours driving in the mud with us.
Hey!
She turned up without a crawler and was just gonna stand around and watch. We couldn't have that, could we? I put a controller in her hand. This is her driving my TRX4 2021 Bronco, and later on she's gonna have a go at the RGT Pro Runner. But while I was waiting for everyone to get ready so we could do our little lap through the bush, I thought, hey, let's have a play with a couple of other cars first. Here's Adam having a go with the Lossy LMT King Sling with my 3D printed body.
Is it what, sorry?
Check it out.
Emulate a monster truck?
This is built to emulate a mud truck. The tyres it comes with are that thick.
Gotcha, yep. You fine with the water?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Why not? Oh, that's a shame. Oh, it's a totally a basher.
And it was at this very moment I remember thinking, I should have stuck tape on the vent holes in the wheels. Oh well, too late now.
We were trying to hydroplane it before.
It's got the tyres for it, but that's a lot of speed with this.
Yeah. It's fun though, eh?
Oh yeah.
He had it for a minute. Yeah, it's good, eh? Don't look around. How many cars are there driving here right now?
5?
6. I would have guessed 5 as well.
Oh.
Now, Carrie, I don't want a spit of mud or a scratch on this car.
I can easily solve that problem.
Just carry.
No. I take it all back.
Probably where I did.
Yep.
And you done it worse.
Thanks.
I think that's going to need a hand as well.
No.
Right, I don't think you do.
Didn't you read the Facebook description, didn't you? Didn't you write the Facebook description?
Probably. Do you want like somewhere to winch to?
Yeah. Can't have a...
Put on my wheel for all I can.
Yeah, rear bar.
There's so many rules in the towing table.
I know. But he hasn't got a rated shackle point. You just going to leave it there, or are you going to break the rules to get out? Well, look. We need another winch on this side, really.
I'll see if I can pull the rock slider over this way.
Height. Door handle.
That's not a towing candle.
That's fine to do. Right? No one's thought of that yet.
Actually, I don't need that front winch, I need this. What is that?
all of us look.
Thanks, team. Couldn't have done it without you. There we go. I nearly brought my truck down here. I'm glad I didn't.
Like as much as it would have stayed level, it just would have knocked on it.
I think it might have dug its own way through the side of the wall.
Oh, that's nice.
It's got gunshot vibes.
Yeah. But just with the giant rock in the way.
Yeah, yeah. Underneath there's probably a something. Solves.
Just that little bit of friction.
Yeah. TRX4 shows how it's done. And portals, yeah, of course.
No clearance issues there.
Yeah, well, we'll see how the other TRX4 goes. Kerry's going to make us all look bad.
Oh, yeah, that very much.
I felt that.
Oh.
He's using the body as a off-road tool. Come in?
Not from there.
No judging.
Don't enter from
Back
there.
up a bit.
Hey, keep going. You committed now.
Yeah, put your foot in it.
Steer into it and see what you can do. Yeah. Now come to me. You're laughing. I said you're going to make us look bad. Straight axle too, eh?
Yeah, pretty much.
We all had the wrong line.
Yeah, I know. Just send it.
Yeah. Straddle as long as possible.
They should drop together.
Nailed it.
Yeah, it's just battling the whip.
Kind of makes you want to have another go at it, honestly.
Yeah. Even a tap forward just from moving it.
Yeah, it's better. Oh, that's where I stick my BEC as well.
Yep.
That was a really stubborn climb at him. Nicely done.
That's a really nice little bit of track there.
It is a... That might be a thumbnail. That sounds like it means business, eh?
Yeah, with the fan
Yeah.
going.
That's it. Stay up. And give it some as well, once you're up there. Yeah. Oh really? You're low voltage? It was too. So that broke it. She's making it look bad again, Mitch. Even with a different car. It could be you.
After a battery change, I swapped cars with Kerry, so now she's driving the Pro Runner, and I'm just going to compare it to the TRX4 2021 Bronco with the straight axle conversion.
I think he's stuck now.
Yeah, when you stop driving, they just turn on.
Oh.
Yeah, after like 10 seconds. Oh, that doesn't look right, Mitch.
That's an angle. Better than my toes.
Did you drive out of that, Greg? Winched. I don't see a way out of it.
Yeah, I know. Just flicked it out.
can do some rock packing with that rock.
No man, I'm already using it. We're good.
No way.
Oh, wow.
Not out yet.
Okay.
Yeah, it's locked. We nearly made that.
I broke it. That's what we heard.
Broke what?
The front there.
Oh really? Something broke?
Yep.
Gosh, that's a first for a Traxxas, really?
Yeah.
Huh. How about that?
Unless it can't grab. Yeah.
Yeah, it's possible. That's another thing the RGT has over this. The unis, these are CVDs.
Oh, it's licked up.
There we go.
Yeah, no. Is it breaking that wheel?
I'd say it's the CVD.
Interesting.
They're just cruddy. The rock's in a good spot though to climb up, because then you go left to the right.
When I done it,
Yeah, you moved it for me then.
struggled the whole way up.
That's it, and then it was just power.
Now it's front's gonna do weird things like.
Oh, he's done it. He's got it. Capra. Oh man, if that didn't fall off, it may not. It may be doable. You have to steer all the way left now. Before the headlight touches the rock. You got to come towards Mitch, and then as soon as you get the wheel up, yeah, come up high on the left. Yeah. Left. No, I don't think it's got it.
Yeah, you've done some big holes in it too.
Perfect. What a great little obstacle. So that's the story of the RGT Pro Runner in the mud. It was such a long drive, and it didn't miss a beat. Honestly, it didn't miss a beat. Now, when we came back, I found some rusts-looking spots on the surface. Maybe the stainless steel of the links is not the highest grade. That's possible, given, I mean, there's already rust here. I've actually run light machine oil across everything, including in the universals. So the thing still works. And since doing that, I've stuck bigger tires on. So stick around for the next video. I actually try these bigger tires. We're actually putting Canyon Trails from the TRX4, and we're going to run the 6 problem course again because I think it can do better. Now, that breakage with the TRX4, it actually was a CVD, but it wasn't a Traxxas CVD. This is the SSD straight axle kit that I installed last year sometime. The CVD shouldn't have died, but it did. I have yet to break any Traxxas running gear on the TRX4s. They are just absolutely top notch. I also haven't broken any RGT axles, and I even took the rear axle off the Challenger and took that with me to ECCF. I did break a plastic mount on it now I think about it, but the actual axles themselves haven't had a problem. And they're still unis, I think. They're tough as nails, so that was good. Now, I got to have a chat with Kerry at the end of it, and I interviewed her a little bit about the 2 different cars. Kerry, if you're watching this, thank you so much for driving and answering my questions about the 2 cars. I know you didn't come to drive. I know you were driving Mitch, and good on you for just having a go. Absolutely loved it. It really made my day, honestly. For anyone else thinking about the Pro Runner, it's a brilliant car. It didn't miss a beat. I think Kerry said she found this more predictable because I had the stock Traxxas gear in, especially the XL5. I'm not a fan of that ESC. It's got like this softness to it somehow. There's definitely better punch with the Hobbywing stuff, and that includes the WP1060 that comes as standard equipment in all of the RGT cars that we're currently looking at. It's a lovely Shaw servo as well. It's metal geared, waterproof, and servo on axle means you do get that lovely constant steering action no matter what the axle is doing, because the servo is actually attached to the axle, and yet you wouldn't know it, would you, because it's hiding up in there. It was fun. I'd do it again, and I actually will do it again. It was just that good. Throw me a like, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you again for more action right here on RC-TNT. I nearly said on RGT again. See ya.